Now, we're going to teach you how to set financial start period in SQL. You have to go to Tools, go to Option. Under here, you can see General Ledger. And you can see Financial Start Period and System Conversion Date. Financial Start Period is the first day of accounting period. Generally, the accounting period consists of 12 months. If you want to set at 1st of January 2015, every year, system will auto-closing at 31st of December. So, SQL do not need to do year-end. System conversion date is the first date to apply transaction in SQL. For example, you buy the software 1st of April, but if you wish to key in your transaction start from 1st of January until today, then you have to set your financial start period as 1st of January 2015, system conversion date 1st of January 2015. But if you want to start your transaction by bringing the opening as at 31st of March 2015, so your financial start period will be 1st of January, but then your system conversion date should be keyed in under 1st of April 2015. So, actually this setting is very important. It's only set once when you use SQL. After you set this, you are not easy to amend. Thank you.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching and stay updated with our latest videos, Facebook posts, and important guides on our website.